This is Steve from STO N SHO. Today we're out here at BMW doing a fitment on an i5. This is the M Sport version, the M60. There's the window sticker. And there's the front of it. This will be a center mount because the adaptive cruise, everything is up a little bit higher in the nose there, so we can mount this one center. This one has factory screws, so we're going to take advantage of those. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mike, and we're going to get started here.
Alright, thanks Steve. I'm going to go ahead and start off by removing the factory screws that are underneath there. And again, like Steve said, this is going to be a center mount, so we're going to be removing two. They're a 4.8 by like probably 20 is a screw, but it's got a 10mm head on it. So we're just going to spin those out, and we will not be reusing these because they're going to the bracket's going to lay flat across here, so you can see how it's recessed in. So we're going to use a spacer and a little longer screw. And one of the other things that we've got to avoid is there's a push pin right here. As soon as I get the screw, I'll show you right here. It'll kind of get in the way, but we went ahead and took care of that by go ahead and putting a slot in the base, so that'll go ahead and miss the push pin. So we're going to go ahead now and take our 4.8 by 25 and our 5/16 spacer, start that in the hole, and go ahead and grab the other one. This is a pretty quick and pretty easy installation. Again, spacer on top, and then as you can see, the push pin just drops into that. That just allows the bracket to sit flat. So then we're going to go from a 10mm to an 8mm socket, and we're going to go ahead and tighten these up. And these again are going into a metal J clip, so they'll snug up pretty good. As you can tell, I'm giving it a pretty good little crank. I'm not going crazy, but I stay up by the head so that it makes sure I don't get too much leverage, here. So there you go. You can see that's in there pretty good. Then we're going to grab our front plate, start it in the holes, pull the ring back, and then just push it until it clicks into place. And there you go. We're all done.
Yeah, and you're going to want to remember to occasionally to lubricate the pull pin with WD-40. If you live in on the East Coast or the Midwest, Northeast, where you get snow and
salt the roads.
Yeah, salt the road. You're going to want to maybe do it a little more frequently. And then another thing too, if you're going to go through a car wash, make sure you remove the front, because that gets caught on one of those, the rollers or some of the things that they use there that could damage that. So you're going to want to remember to do that. And then you're going to get your front plate here, your license plate, and you're going to attach it to that front plate, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.